Self-healing concrete. Say goodbye to cracks. Ever noticed how cracks just seem to pop up everywhere, on sidewalks, bridges, and even buildings? It's one of those things we've just accepted, right? Well, self-healing concrete is here to change that completely. Imagine concrete that, instead of crumbling over time, actually repairs itself. Sounds like sci-fi, but it's real, and it's one of the most exciting innovations in construction today. So how does it work? Self-healing concrete has tiny capsules inside it filled with special bacteria or healing agents. When a crack forms, moisture gets in and activates these capsules. Then boom, the bacteria come alive and start producing limestone, filling the crack and sealing it up, all without any human help. It's like the concrete is alive, patching itself up every time it takes a little damage. No more endless maintenance and patchwork. This concrete is built to last. Now think of the impact this could have. Bridges that don't need constant repairs, buildings that can handle years of wear and tear, and even roads that can withstand harsh weather, all without us having to spend millions on repairs every few years. Not only does this save money, but it also reduces waste and makes our infrastructure more eco-friendly. And in a world where cities are growing faster than ever, having materials that can practically take care of themselves is a massive game changer. Some places are already testing this amazing material, adding it to structures to see how it holds up in the real world. Sure, it's still a bit pricier than regular concrete right now, but with time and more research, self-healing concrete could soon become the go-to for construction everywhere. Imagine walking down a sidewalk or driving over a bridge knowing the material beneath you can heal itself, staying strong and safe for years to come. Self-healing concrete is paving the way for a future where cracks are no longer a constant problem, and our cities can stand tall for generations without falling apart.